Alexa, how's the weather next week in Los Angeles, California?
Here's the weather in Los Angeles, California for the next 7 days. Saturday, 66 degrees Fahrenheit and lots of clouds. Sunday, 65 degrees and lots of clouds. Monday, 72 degrees and lots of sun. Tuesday, 81 degrees and intermittent clouds. Wednesday, 77 degrees and intermittent clouds. Thursday, 73 degrees and intermittent clouds. Friday, 76 degrees and mostly sunny weather.
Alexa, add feed the dog to my to-do list.
I've added feed the dog to your to-do list.
Alexa, what time is my dinner with Natalie today?
This is what I found. Dinner with Natalie, today at 7 p.m.
Alexa, add flowers to my shopping list.
I've put flowers on your shopping list.
Alexa, turn off the porch light. Alexa, read me a book.
Audible lets you experience books in a whole new way. To try one, ask me to read The Hobbit or The Great Gatsby.
Alexa, how tall is the Space Needle?
The Space Needle is 605 feet tall.